Good morning. Welcome back to the English class. So today we are going to continue with the classwork of Sham's horse cart. Last time we completed the classwork wherein you had to complete it in your textbook. ठीक है, textbook में लिखना था. This time what we are going to do? We are going to attempt the questions which are there and ये सब आपको you have to complete it in your English notebook. ठीक है, ये आपको आपके English notebook में complete करना है. So you have to note it down in the English notebook. Okay, let's start. I'll be posting a separate PDF so that you can copy it properly. So this question is there on page number 56 in English Bal Bharati textbook. That is why I have written, but there is no space to write. वहाँ पे जगह नहीं है लिखने के लिए. So that is the reason you have to write it in your English notebook. ठीक है? आप सबको लिखना है. First we will just discuss. Okay? Now sit straight. Yes. Fold your hands. Very good. And I'm going to read the question and you think. Okay? Write who went to the fair with Sham. You can also try reading. Okay? You yourself can also try reading. Write who went to the fair with Sham. ठीक है, शाम के साथ कौन कौन गया फेयर में. थिंक सबसे पहले कौन मिला. When he started from the house, whom did he meet? Madhu and Meera. After that they met a dog. After that they met a peacock. After that they met a frog. Is it not? Chalo, let's write it down. Madhu, Meera, dog, peacock, frog, and the horse was also there, no? Went to the fair with Sham. Okay. So Madhu, Meera, dog, peacock, frog, and the horse went to the fair with Sham. Okay. Very good. Chalo, now let's take a look at the next question. Why did the horse run helter-skelter? Why did the horse run helter-skelter? Why did it run? Think, सोचो क्या हुआ था? Think. Yes, the peacock had got excited and then it spread its feathers and it started dancing. Then one of the feather, it touched the ear of the dog. Dog की ear को लगा and the dog was frightened and it started barking. Then Madhu fell on Meera and then Meera fell on the frog and the frog jumped on the horse. So horse was frightened and so horse started running helter-skelter. So let's look at the answer, how you are going to write. The horse was frightened, so it ran helter-skelter. Okay, so no need to write the whole story, just one sentence, एक ही sentence लिखना है. क्यों? Why? Because the horse was frightened. What was the reason the horse started to run helter-skelter? Because the horse was frightened. वो डर गया था. Frightened means डर गया था. So all this had happened, so the horse was frightened and so it ran helter-skelter. Okay, chalo, let's move on to the next one. Write the names of any 5 vehicles. Okay, when we started with the lesson, we had discussed that earlier when the people wanted to move from one place to another, what they used to do? They used to walk. Later on they started using animals and then after that they started putting carts. Once that wheel was developed or a wheel was made, first time the wheel was made, they started making carts. Okay, and then they started traveling in the carts also. So likewise for transportation, nowadays there are so many ways you can move from one place to another, and there are many routes in the sense, by road you can go, by air you can go, by water also you can go, है ना, and by railway also you can go. So there are many ways by which you can travel from one place to another. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए कितने सारे साधन है हमारे पास. So any 5 vehicles. So here I am just taking car, truck, ship, train, aeroplane. Okay, car and truck, they will move on the road, ship will move in the water, and train on the railway, and aeroplane in the air. Okay. So you can add on anything you like. Write the names of the things you see in a fair. Okay, we have seen, no, in a fair what was there. Do you remember? अब जब मेले में जाते हो, मेला, fair means मेला. हाँ, that time you see so many things. What do you see? Think about it. Yes, there are games, there are shops where you eat. Is it not? Sometimes there is a stage also wherein there are people performing. Yes, so many things are there. So shops, food stalls, and amusement rides. Amusement rides means games. You see a big giant wheel and all, you sit on that and enjoy yourself. Those are called as the amusement rides. उसे कहते हैं amusement rides. Okay, shops होते हैं, food stalls, खाने की चीजें होती है, and amusement rides. So shops wherein you buy so many things. Okay, so all these things are there in the fair. You can just keep a note of it. The next, this question is not there in your English textbook. Who said to whom? You have to complete this also in your notebook. You have to write both the questions as well as answers for all the questions which I've already taken. अभी जो इससे पहले जो भी मैंने डिस्कस किया है वो आपको क्वेश्चन भी लिखना है और आंसर भी लिखना है. Okay, so complete this in your notebook. Come and sit near me. Who said this to whom? Yes, you're right. Sham said to the frog. Who said this? Sham said this to the frog. Next question is, can we come? Who said, can we come? Yes, Madhu and Meera said to Sham. है ना? Because we means what? More than one. And more than one, when there were two people, only the first time, that is Madhu and Meera. So Madhu and Meera said to Sham, can I come to the fair? Who said this? The peacock said to Sham. Who said this? The peacock said to Sham. So that's all. You have to complete this everything in your English notebook. Ensure that your work is completed. Okay. Question answers as well as who said to whom. Okay. Chalo then. Bye. See you.